How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Crypto at Work. My name is OJ, where I like to talk all things about Bitcoin, altcoins, and cryptos all together. So we all saw what happened this morning, and if you haven't, you might be living underneath a rock if you're not in the crypto world. But we had a fake out in a spot Bitcoin ETF. Reliable source, sadly, came out and published saying that BlackRock was approved for a Bitcoin ETF, and we saw Bitcoin go from about 27,000 and some change all the way up to 30,000, a little over. Held there for about 5 minutes. People realized that this was fake news, and it immediately dumped back to about 27. Right now, Bitcoin's still in an uptrend. It's doing quite well after this whole little in and out situation. But this tells us something, and this tells me something, and I firmly believe it, is that today was a glimpse of the future of what we will see once it is official that these Bitcoin ETFs are going to get pushed through. Last week we had Grayscale. They weren't, the SEC didn't appeal for them to get a spot Bitcoin ETF, so they're pretty much in the green light. And I don't think the SEC is just going to give Grayscale a head start. I'm pretty sure they're going to go through the board and give everyone an even chance and say, hey, you're approved. Shit's going down. So this week could be a huge week. Next week could be a huge week. But personally, I don't mind if it drags on just a little longer, because it is time to buy before these big institutions get in. Like I said, today was a insight of the future of what we're going to see once this big money starts flowing in. And you're not going to be able to get the DCA count that you wanted before. Like, you were looking probably out a week ago, I wanted 26,000 Bitcoin. Well, $26,000 is kind of off the table right now. Yes, we might have a situation that brings it back down to 26,000, but that opportunity was still there, and you should have probably went with your gut. Me, I'm always DCAing almost every other day, so I try not to miss these opportunities and miss these dips and sacrifice a lot of things that I would personally like to have. But I'm getting my bags ready because I want that financial freedom in crypto, especially with this bull run that's coming in 2024, 2025. So like I said, I don't believe SEC will give Grayscale a head start. It will approve everyone through the board, and today was a heads up that what we're going to be seeing in the future. Big green candles, because today was a big green candle, and then 5 minutes later was a huge dump of a red candle. Which was quite funny, especially with everyone coming out on Twitter and blaming who and each and y'all, that fun jazz, you did it wrong, whatever. Somebody might be getting sued though, because there was a lot of shorts that got squeezed out, and there was millions of dollars in that situation. Don't short, don't long, just buy and hold, my 2 cents, or trade. But be prepared, everyone. I'm getting prepared right now. Every day I'm getting myself prepared. I'm getting my Bitcoin, my Ethereum where I want it, all my own altcoins to a point of where I want it. I'm possibly looking at a couple more. I don't want to get too diversified, but I want to be definitely diversified enough just in case one goes to shit, another jumps up, it kind of recovers that, and you kind of get what I'm saying here. One tick goes down bad, the other goes up good. At least I have a recovery. That's why you don't want to be 100% all on one coin. I mean, you can. Bitcoin is definitely your safest bet, but especially altcoins, don't go all in one. I love Polygon, but I'm not going to go all in on Polygon. I'm going to diversify. Quant, HBAR, Cardano, list goes on. Mutable X, I'm a huge fan of those guys. Those guys are going to do phenomenal this bull run especially. But keeping this video short, if you haven't started your crypto profile and you've been wanting to get in, you've just been waiting for the perfect time. That perfect time was about 6 months ago. Perfect time was yesterday. Today should be the day you finally decide to even put in 10, 20, 25, 50, $100 and make a little diverse profile. Get going. Don't hold out. The halving is coming up very soon. These ETFs are going to be coming a lot sooner. And like I said, once these ETFs are approved and going in, and these institutions are buying up, Bitcoin's not going to be sitting at 25,000 anymore. You're going to miss that boat. And I don't believe you want to miss that boat and be buying Bitcoin at 35,000. That's a huge chunk right there that you could have already been getting in and making profits instead of almost probably actually to the point of losing profits, because it might dip down and consolidate and all that fun shit. So stack your bags, everyone. Let's get ready. We just saw a glimpse of what's going to happen in the future this morning. Hopefully just the green, not the big red dump afterwards. If you've taken anything from this video, if I helped you, inspired you in any way, I would really appreciate it if you like and subscribe to the page. I don't get on here every day, but I get on here pretty much all the time, and I like blabbing to you guys. And as well, leave a comment down below. What was your thought of this whole situation this morning about the spot Bitcoin ETF fake news? And what's your favorite altcoins that you're accumulating right now to get prepared for the bull run? I would love to hear it from you guys. As always, be safe. Have a great one today. You all take care. Peace out.